The original road was washed out up to Brian and Linda's house. So here we are. Brian made a road through the fields and the woods. So we're riding on it right now. And here we've just gotten back on maybe by about 50 yards from the house where there's still some pavement. And so we'll just go up a little further and pull up by the garage. It's pretty amazing. A little later, here are Linda and Doreen cleaning the mud out of the garage. This is looking around the east side of the house, and you can see the yard is pretty good there. I'll go around the corner of the house. There's Brian's new generator and the patio, and you can see all the trees and brush that came up into the backyard. There's the barn with that one big tree in the yard there. Then there's the clear view of the stream, and then all this brush and these large trees that almost came right up to the house, very close. Here's where the picnic table used to be. That's the dam in the distance. There's the other side of the creek where the people come to swim and fish. And all this debris along here. But I'll walk back towards the house. We're coming back. Here's one little outbuilding. Then here's the older barn. And then you can see over here, we'll come up to where the base of the silo had been. Well, the base is still there. All the weeds and little brushy trees are gone, but it's been all cleared off. Coming past the old barn on the corner here, towards the other barn. Yeah, this side of the yard looks better. I mean, there's lots of trees down in the distance. You can see all the trees on this side of the house. But we're lucky those two big trees didn't go down. We'll walk over here a little further. That's what it looks like that way. The stream is really close. It's supposed to be built up again. And over this way, the other part of the yard. Here's a picture I took in July looking off the porch. And here's a picture I took just about the same view looking today. Back around the front of the house, you can see where the pavement's broken off on the road. And in the distance is a bulldozer from the National Guard working at rebuilding the road, which will be nice to have again. Here is another view of the house and the yard from the hillside up to the east.